In today's video, I'll show you how real estate agents can use Pipedrive to manage clients, track deals, and close faster. Start by opening your browser and signing up for a free trial on the Pipedrive website. During setup, enter your business details so the platform can tailor the experience to real estate workflows. Once inside, the first thing to focus on is your pipeline. Create stages that match your real estate process, such as new lead, property viewing, offer made, under contract, and closed. This visual pipeline helps you instantly see where every deal stands. Next, organize your contacts. Add buyers, sellers, landlords, and investors as separate contacts and tag them accordingly. This makes follow-ups more targeted and keeps your database clean. If you already have contacts in spreadsheets or another system, import them so everything lives in one place. Use the leads inbox to capture and manage new inquiries from listings, websites, or ads. When a lead is qualified, convert it into a deal and place it in the correct pipeline stage. From there, track every call, email, meeting, and property showing directly inside the deal timeline. To save time, set up automations. You can automatically create tasks when a deal moves forward, send follow-up emails after property visits, or remind yourself to call a client before an offer expires. Email templates with merge fields allow you to send personalized messages with client names and property details in seconds. For a smoother workflow, connect Pipedrive with your email, calendar, property listing platforms, and tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Finally, use dashboards and reports to track deal value, close rates, and monthly performance, so you always know how your business is growing. That's how real estate agents can use Pipedrive CRM to stay organized, responsive, and focused on closing more deals.